So my wife wants me to cut some grass tonight, so I'm going to try it here with the JB Weld lawnmower. Might put the rod out the side, you never know. You know, well, I can cut one-handed here. Sound like it's liking it. Alright, she's chucking the smoke out pretty good there. Some more revs there. I think she let the rod go. I know, it's rather obvious. At least we got it on film. Tell you one thing, it smells like burnt JB Weld out here. Not really complaining that it let go. One of the neighbors could call the fire department thinking something was on fire. Anyway, I'd say we got about 5 minutes out of that JB Conrod run there total. Kind of out of breath here, one hand in the lawnmower uphill. So we'll do a tear down. Look at the disintegration. I don't see a hole in the block. Actually, I guess it'd be on this side. No oil peeing out or anything. So there you go. Got to hear it blow up under load. Well, this is looking kind of suspicious. I see some big chunks of JB Weld in the crankcase there. Try to zoom in a little bit. Yeah, figures. Won't refocus. Yeah, you can see some sitting there in the oil. But the connecting rod doesn't look to have slammed out the side or anything. It's still bolted together. So when you try to turn the rod, I noticed the piston's not moving. It's like my JB piston. Yeah, I think the JB Weld piston partially disintegrated. Well, we'll keep tearing her down here and investigate. So we got the bottom end torn down here. Surprisingly, the JB crankshaft is still looking not too bad. It's getting a little worn on the power thrust side here, but that's due to the fact there was 2 layers there. If it was 1 layer, I think it might still be in pretty good shape. And the connecting rod, it's not looking too bad, everything considered, just a little polished up still. My piston pin survived there, but unfortunately the JB Weld piston let go. The bottom support area for the piston pin bit the dust here into a number of pieces, so she's broke out there. Big crack in this side where it let go. And the top really isn't burnt all that bad, considering, you know, it's got like 10 minutes of run time on it between this run and I know I did a 5-minute run a couple years back. The other thing, it scraped the bore up a bit there. You can see one gouge right there. But and then on the bottom side, let's see if I can, yeah, you can see a couple gouges there. Try and get the light on it right. It looked like I suspect what happened was that the piston swelled up, started to seize by the scores on it there. I don't know if I can get the light just right, but got some scores and gouges there. Again, that could have been from the piston pin flopping around in there when it came to a stop, but there was also chunks of almost like powdered JB Weld. So I suspect the piston got swelled up when it got hot, and due to insufficient cooling, etc., and started to seize under load. But anyway, so appreciate you watching my series here on the JB crankshaft journal, and then this time I threw the old JB Weld piston in there. So I'm kind of surprised it ran as well as it did. So everybody have a good one.